Musamseleku want to have Istanbul polygamy, but he doesn't want to spend more money on his wives. When his wives they can ask him money, he can start complain or to give excuses. That's why Macele quit the job, because Macele, when she was managing that Musamseleku's restaurant, other wives they are not managing it, and Musamseleku was taking money and gave to his wives Mangwabe and Mayeni. That's why Macele decided to quit her job and stay at home. Musamseleku now she is taking responsibility of Macele for whatever she wants. Musamseleku can do it. That's why Macele was keeping asking Musamseleku money when he introduced the 50th wife. Musamseleku says he wants to marry the 50th wife. So tomorrow, after having a meeting, Macele and Musamseleku they sit down. Macele starting calculating Musamseleku's budget, that you have to give me money because I'm taking care of your kids. What? Macele need more money. That's why Macele was happy for Makwela, because the person who is gaining is Macele. She is sitting at home. It's not about Macele. She is lazy. Macele can't go to work. Macele, if she decide to go to work, she can go to work, but she doesn't want, because Musamseleku was the one who take a decision to get married to many wives. It means that you have got a lot of money to take care of them. That's why even Makumalo, to show Musamseleku that she can do for herself. Imagine, guys, it's your husband who your man can do for other women, can provide for other women, but he doesn't provide for Makumalo. Makumalo thinks all the time she is doing good things, to go to work, to helping Musamseleku to pay the bills. But Makumalo doesn't know that Musamseleku was using her all the time. That's why Macele, you remember, guys, Macele and Makumalo, they are working together on season 1 and season 2. But why Macele decided to quit that restaurant, to quit the job? Macele saw that Musamseleku sometimes he can use her to it's not her responsibility to work hard for the family, because Musamseleku he have got Istanbul. It's his polygamy Istanbul. If he decide to have that Istanbul, it's not about they have to help each other, because he have got many wives. He have to work hard for his wives. That's why Macele decide to quit the job and stay at home. Macele, now if Musamsele could decide again to marry the 60th wife, Macele is keeping demanding more money, more wives, more money to Macele. She doesn't have a play or what. So Makumalo, when it comes to Makumalo work hard for herself. But Musamseleku saw that Makumalo is affording to do things for herself, to buy groceries, bills, everything. And Musamseleku asking Makumalo money to pay the bills for his wives. Imagine. After that, Musamseleku, he saw that Makumalo, you know that a person can test you. If he can show you like you are very easy. Musamseleku saw Makumalo like she doesn't use her own brain. You understand? So Musamseleku, that's why Mayeni was asking Musamseleku, why you say Makumalo you have to pay our car insurance? And Musamseleku says Makumalo is our family. It means that he is failing to take care of his wives. Even now Musamseleku buy houses for other wives. Why he can't buy a house for Makwela, even to contribute on Makumalo's house? It means that he doesn't take care of them. And he is keeping adding another person. But he knows that even Mangwabe's house and Mayeni's house, he is not finished. He is not already finished to pay those houses. He's still on credit. So that's why Mayeni was asking Musamseleku that, guys, those wives are not fools. Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Macele. That's why they are keeping demanding. Even Mayeni, she doesn't spend her own money on that house, Mangwabe. They want Musamseleku to pay, because to marry many wives, it means that you can afford. Makhumalo was the one who was helping him all the time, and she stopped